Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, today we'll discuss about data types. Under that we have primitive and non-primitive. In under the primitive data types, we have seven data types, and we'll discuss about undefined and null today. So undefined means not defined, and its data type is undefined. Also, null means no value, and its data type is object. Do you understood anything from these two lines? I think not. So, and you can see here two pictures. One is undefined and one is null. Do you find any difference between this? I hope you found. See, here there is a wall, but without having toilet paper attached with it. But here you are having the wall with the toilet paper attached with it, right? So what I'm trying to say, let's go to the code. So here I have created one variable called x, but I didn't assign any value to this variable, and I'm trying to print the data type of that variable and the value of the variable. So we'll see. So here you are getting the value of the x is undefined and the data type is undefined. Why we got this? So whenever the JavaScript engine is running, that time the JavaScript will go to this line number 71 and it will find this variable, and it will observe there is no value to this, there is no value assigned to this variable. So it will understand like it's not defined. You can see here there is a wall in the sense of it means a variable. Okay, we have created a wall, that means we have created a variable, but we didn't give in any value. We didn't attach any paper roll to this var. So that's why JavaScript engine will understand it's undefined. So if the value is undefined, the data type also it can't define, right? Based on the value only, the data type can be defined, right? So the data type also will get as undefined only. So let's go to the null. Um, Null means, see, I have assigned null directly to this variable. So here I have created a variable called y. If we didn't give any value to this variable, we will get this as a undefined, right? That's why, see, I will show you that. So we are getting this also as undefined. That's why I'm directly giving null. Null means what? Null means empty or blank. So I will explain you that also. So here there is a wall with toilet paper attachment, right? But there is no toilet paper. There is no paper inside this device, right? So, but some data, some value we have given, we have initialized, right? The variable we have created and we have initialized a variable with some value. But the this value is empty, blank. That's why we are calling that as a null. Okay, null means blank or empty. Okay, we'll see. In the console, we are getting value of this variable as null, and the data type of this variable we are getting as undefined. Sorry, object. So why we are getting data type as object for this null? So the answer is we have one theory for this. When initially when JavaScript is started, that time JavaScript has 32-bit storage. So in that first three bits defines data type of that variable, and the remaining bits will store the value of that variable. So whenever the first three bits is zero, then that 32-bit will act as object. So null means empty or blank. So the first three bits, zero means it's null, right? Zero means it's null, blank, right? So that's why we are considering this as object. I hope you understood the data type of the null. Thank you.